First of all, go to front plane, go to sketch and make a rectangle with dimensions of 80 millimeter and 250 millimeters. Now go to center line, make a center line. Again you have to make a line like this with dimensions. With this point to this point the length is 35 millimeter. And this point to this point dimension is 40 millimeter. Also you can mirror this line to this side using mirror command. Now you can trim this line and this line, this line and this line. So now go to features, go to extruded BossBase. You can extrude this sketch up to 100 millimeters like this.